everybody, and a very warm welcome back to my latest vinyl finds plus the shrink must go video. I was yet on another record fair, and this will be the last record fair before then Bosch, because I also went there with some friends and I decided no, I'm not going to buy anything. And guess what? The dealer where I bought my last Elvis bootlegs from, he had some left, and I found them and they weren't still sold, so he gave me 20% discount off the ones I bought, and so I had to have them. Once again, it's sound-wise not a super great experience, but out of sentimental reasons I bought them and I'm happy to have them in my collection. I also got my White Stripes UHQR and my latest Vinyl Me Please release. Also, you know it, but I would really like to point it out. Everything you see up here, I bought with my own money. All right, shall we start with the record fair in Düsseldorf? Well, before I show you what I found, here is some footage.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Alright, so what did I buy? I bought this 68 comeback special bootleg, which features some great tracks from one of Elvis' best years ever, next to 69 where he recorded Suspicious Minds in the Ghetto, Kentucky Rain, next to 1970 when he did That's the Way It Is. I mean, I wish RCA back in the day would have made a record like this, honestly. And what I really loved about it, it still has the original inner sleeve where they promoted some other Elvis bootlegs. So this was so cool, and for €25 next to the fact that I got 20% discount. Like I said, they're sound-wise not the best one, and the material has already been released, but what can I say? I'm an Elvis fan and vinyl addicted. The next one, The Legend Lives On. If I'm not mistaken, these are recordings from 1969, yes. Made in Canada. I mean, look at that cover. Totally great. And like I said, super happy to have them. Here's the back of it with some pictures from 1969 and 1972. Viva Las Vegas, baby. Also one. This one was €40, but like I said, with discount with the great Anne Margaret. Elvis and Margaret, you can't say no. I also bought the soul record, the great Gloria Jones, Come Go With Me, for $40. And the record is in a very good condition. The cover is a little beaten up, but hey. Alright, the record of my youth, let me put it that way, the music of my youth. So I got my UHQR. This is actually my second UHQR. I bought also some time ago this Miles Davis UHQR, and I'm honestly also not the biggest fan. I like the box, but I do get that collectors from many moons ago want to have them look alike when they have them in their shelf, but for me, this whole box in black with that red, that looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, I hope that Chet will continue playing with the colors a little bit, because this gives this box a whole new look. and I love it to death. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Get to the great part. If you know a different way to open the UHQR up, then that you can have the... Some people keep the shrink of it. I keep the stickers in the box, but this looks... I don't know if you can see that through the camera, but this looks so stunningly good in black. I'm so surprised how much a color change can totally change the whole look of this box. Let's open it up. Wow. Okay. So what we've got, I'm sure you have seen this if you're into this a number of times already. So this is the limited edition custom pressings, some information, a little flyer. Yeah, I know this from my Miles Davis UHQR, some pictures of the production process of the UHQR, other titles. What do we have here? A poster. I think it's a poster. Is it a poster? No, it's not. It's... So you get... that smell. I love the smell of fresh printed... But anyway, so you get the lyrics... pictures. I've had it back in the day on CD, and I had it. I had my little Sony portable CD player, and I was kind of the queen having a portable CD player. You know how good this was, and I was riding on my bike, and they had a kind of anti-shock. So if you were riding with your bike, and you know, sometimes you had to wait till the CD set in back, and yeah, well. But yeah, I love that album. So nice booklet with pictures, and you can see back in the day with what kind of equipment they recorded that album. That's so cool. Okay. Great. Putting it outside of the sleeve and also putting it in an extra jacket. I can hardly wait to play that. I'm so happy. And what I think is also a great thing is that people kind of, was it criticism? I don't know, but said, hey, Chad, it would be great if you could release some more stuff which is newer next to blues and jazz, and also the look of the box is different. And I think it's so cool that he kind of says, you know what, we try that and we look how it works. And from what I've read, and that's and from what I've heard, how this sounds and how people love it, I think that was a great choice. And I like businessmen or businesswomen who say, you know what, we try it out and see how it works, and instead of sitting back and say, why should I change anything? It's working anyway. And so this is so great from Chad to do that, and I can't wait to play them. Okay, what else do we have? Yep, the sleeve, the cover. The quality of the cover is absolutely stunning. Wait. Printing quality is very good. This is number 1879. Seven Nation Army. You can be sure I will get my speakers to maximum. So also this is stunning. I can't wait to do that, and I think it's such a great choice for UHQR to do that. So yes, Chad, please keep them coming next to blues and jazz and all of this. And I already ordered my first batch of the Atlantic 75, so I hope they will also arrive soon to have a look at this. And this is I think there are great things to come. And also, you can still order that. Many of the things are not, if you remember back, if you ordered something, it was like immediately sold out because there was hardly enough of anything, or there wasn't pressed enough. So I think if you want this box, it's still available, and that's such a great thing. All right. Oh, it fits to my shirt today. Yeah, white stripes. Great. Okay. Do I get this? Okay. This looks, just a change of a color is tremendously effective. Awesome. All right, where do I put you? I put you here. All right, my latest Vinyl Me Please box. I swapped. I think did I swap? I swapped last time. Let's see what we have up here. David Porter. Yeah, I didn't swap that one. I waited for this one. It's a nice sticker. Oh, sorry. Sticker. Alright. David Porter. This is a fantastic album by David Porter. It's not superly expensive to get. I've seen it on the fairs for between 15 to 20 euro, but you won't see it too often, especially not in Germany. But yeah, I can hardly. Oh, this is gonna be a long night. I can hardly wait to play this one as well. What does the hype sticker say? It's an AAA Lacquer's cut from the master tapes by Ryan Smith, Sterling Sound, pressed on 180-gram black vinyl, listening notes booklet by Andrew Winstorfer. Vinyl Me Please classic. So yeah, this was nice. This was nice, and I hope for myself that I won't be buying any more records till Den Bosch. I need to be strong because I think Den Bosch is also gonna be great, I hope. And I find some more soul and disco in Den Bosch, so hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little snippets and seen some of these records. And I'm wishing you guys a great week. I'm not so up with my health at the moment. I have some difficulties with my voice. But yeah, anyway, have a great week. Stay safe, stay healthy, listen to good music. And till next time.